Hello my dear friends, today I will show you a Indian farmer how to cut grass. I think grass necrons. That is our field and farm, and that is my uncle, and next is my uncle. And that is our fields. Look like that. That is a small field of my dad. My grandpa is giving to my dad this. If I make a mistakes in a sentence while speaking, please forgive me. The lots of Indian farmers, they are working on this field, but no anyone speaking in English, no anyone understand in one word. But I'm speaking, that is very big thing. And I'm from UP and India. 56 नहीं है 59 and 65% developed crops in UP. Most of the people here do irrigation of underground water. Looking this, that is a 12. Let's go back to home. Can you feel this air? That's very lonely. That is our tent. Ooh. Bad. That's my bicycle. That's my favorite color, army and hacker, green color. We are going this side because this road is not good for my bicycle. My bicycle is very dirty. But we are enjoy this riding. Let's go. My phone stabilization is not good because we are not good phone. I don't have no money. I don't have more than money. You know why so many people don't use a harvesting machine? Because the field is very small, not the biggest field in India compared to America. Look like this road. How to survive in this road? A harvesting machine. Farming road. Look like that. Most of the field here. But which type of agriculture? Sugarcane. This air is push myself. Everyone Indian farmer use a bullock cart That is bull. I survive this road. Then I break my video. I don't know this road. You can see this. That is very bad quality road. I don't know about this road. Why I am choose this road? I don't know. Come again, because that is very bad. Oh. Shit. Okay. Look like that. That is animal dung. Indian people say that that's it. Indian pyramid. Cow dung. That is so many farmers use of harvesting